Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. As always, this channel is about investments, Uber and everything about investment. And on this video, we are going to talk about why investors are quitting Uber business, why everyone is afraid of joining Uber again, why investors don't trust Uber business. Number one, profits have dropped. Most people think that investors are earning more. They earn like 100K per month in this business, but the stress that comes with this business is very high and pressure is very high for most investors. That's why most investors, they prefer other investments maybe, or even keeping their money to wait for other lucrative investments. Profit have dropped. One of the biggest reason is low profitability. Ride-hailing companies like Uber and Bolt face intense competition, which pushes fares down and reduces what drivers and car owners earn. Bei imechunwa, the prices are very low, and it is because the companies are in competition. They are competing. Low fares mean more trips needed to make money. Smaller profits for owners, more on maintenance. You understand? Cheap trips means for you to earn something, you will go a longer distance, you will complete more rides, and with more rides, as always, maintenance very high. Service utakuwa unaenda faster, na hiyo ndo kenye inafanya investors wengi wanajitoa. Number two, too many drivers on the road. Too many drivers on the road. The ride-hailing market in Kenya has become overcrowded. Sai hata mimi saif penye niko na wale watu niko sure hapa karibu na mimi, si wenye wameni text, wenye wameniona online, wenye nawajua huyu ni nani, about 10 drivers wenye wanatafuta magari. So ni dream ya kila mtu, ni mpango ya kila mtu kujoin, na tena there is no barrier. It is one of the easiest to join kama documents zako ziko sawa. Kama Bolt sahi, hata kuna haja uende kwa ofisi, unatuma tu kila kitu wanafungua. Thousands of drivers joined the industry, increasing competition and reducing the number of trips each driver gets. This means cars idle for long hours. Daily targets become harder to get. Sahi ukienda mali kama TRM zimepanga line mpaka mwisho. Ukienda pale hivyo USIU zimepanga line mpaka mwisho. Streets za Westlands the same. Kilimani the same. So nini imekuwa flooded mbaya. The industry is more flooded, na hiyo ina push investors juu target madereva walipi, wanalemewa. Hiyo ina push investors mbaya sana. Number 3, rising fuel costs. Fuel is the largest expense in the Uber business. When fuel price increase, drivers earn less. Owners struggle to maintain profits. Unaelewa? Kwanza kama kwa ule anajiendeshea, hata kama mtu anakuendeshea, hata kosa kuweka mafuta kwame na gari Westlands juu anakutumia do. Hizo ni vitu zinafinya industry vibaya sana. That's why some drivers are even considering electric vehicles or installing gas that sometimes might destroy the engines because they can reduce operating cost significantly. But bei ya hizo electric cars mazee, alafu fundi utatoa wapi fundi wa hiyo kitu? Kidogo bado inaleta shida na hiyo technology mpya. So sometimes some drivers prefer that, but sioni zikisurvive electrical cars, they don't survive. Number 4, maintenance is very expensive. To car owners, Uber cars move a lot every day. This leads to frequent servicing, suspension repairs, and tire replacement. Maintenance can eat a big part of the profit. That's why investors are running away. Maintenance is eating a bigger chunk of what you're earning. Maintenance and fuel, you are losing. So most people, and also depreciation is there. So most investors, they prefer other investments instead of Uber business. Driver problems. Dereva wanasumbua, mara una dereva, mara umepata moja, ameenda hivi. Many partners depend on drivers. Common problems include drivers missing daily targets that brings a lot of conflicts. Driver quitting for newer cars. Amepata gari mpya, gari yako unaambiwa pungulu. So this one is also another problem. Amepata loan rahisi, amepata rent to own. Siku hizi zinaniniwa TikTok, magari ziko mingi sana TikTok zenye zinauzwa za Uber with the promises, lakini pia hazimalizangwi, kuzilipa ni ngori. Hizo gari unaona TikTok ni nomare. Hata zenye zimevurutwa unazionanga wakiziuza bado, zenye wame auction bado wanaziuza hapo. Watu wanalia. Uber business is becoming harder for investors. That's why investors prefer other investments. Drivers going for loans. Most drivers are going for their own loans. Instead of paying someone, why would I suffer for someone who want his money daily? But sometimes, because the business from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, sometimes there is no business. But your partner, the car owner, wants that money daily. Hataki kujua leo ilikuwa mbaya, unaweza recover kesho. But with the loans, maybe you are paying it per month. Or sometimes, even if you decline payment, you will go up to 3 months kujipanga. So sometimes inakupatia kupumua. Hata kama leo ni kubaya, uko na imani weekend itakuwa poa, nita recover with the loans. So that's why most drivers go for loans instead of gari ya mtu yenye ikifika saa 2 unapigiwa simu ni kama uko deni ya tala. Unapigiwa simu karibu wapigie hata wife amerudi kwa nyumba. So these ones are some of the things why most investors are struggling with the drivers. Every driver kaina gari ya mkopo yenye inalipwa kwa mwezi. Anajua hii wiki ikikata, next week itakubali. Hivyo mpaka mwezi ishe. Mwezi ikiisha anajipanga, analipa gari. Some partners say managing drivers is the hardest part of the business. Partners wamesema kazi ngumu ni kumanage madereva. Unapata dereva mzuri, wiki moja amekuacha. Mimi naenda sijui wapi. They have a lot of stories. Drivers are becoming problem. Drivers are becoming nightmares to partners. Number 6, new competition from local apps. Local platforms like Little Cabs, Faras and Yego are growing and competing with Uber and Bolt, especially in corporate transport service. Hiyo inafanya kama hizi ndio kampuni ziko top, na hizi kampuni ndogo ndogo zinakuja, hawana makastoma wengi, lakini wamediversify traffic ya makastomers. Sometimes inaleta shida sana kwa hizi app kubwa kubwa, so inafanya biashara kidogo inakuwa ngumu. More apps, more competition for drivers and partners, and that competition means low prices, more rides and more maintenance. That means you are suffering as a partner or as a driver. Some investors prefer passive investments. Number 7, some investors prefer passive investments. Many investors are moving their money to money market fund, treasury bill, and real estate. These investments are less stressful than managing drivers and cars. Kumanage dereva na kumanage gari, mara imekwama Gitaru na we unaishi Kasarani, mara imekwama huko Thika, Jomoko huko chini, mara imekwama wapi, mara imekwama Kiambu, unafaa kuibeba, mara imeshikwa, mara dereva hakulipa pesa. A lot of things. What investors wengi, most investors, they prefer now passive income, low risk investments, and also these investments give small return but almost sure that they are almost 100%. Real estate, treasury bill and money market fund. Na hata kama unaenda money market fund, jipange, elewa what it means and the terms of that investment. Usikimbie tu juu watu wanakimbia. These investments are less stressful than managing drivers and cars. Many Uber partners are selling their cars not because the business is dead. Usifikirie juu tunasema hivyo sasa imekufa. Watu watasafiri milele. Kama zile taxi za kitambo ndio bado zina survive, mbona uniambie ati sasa biashara ya Uber imededi? But because profits are lower, are rising, and the market is more competitive with loans, carriers selling cars at a cheaper price. Unaona, costs are rising and the market is more competitive with loans, carriers selling car at a cheaper. Biashara ya Uber imechallenge hata banks. Banks used to give car loans at an expensive price, expensive interest, but today Even the Kayads are giving their own. Kuna watu private sasa wanapeana rent to own. We have a lot of sources of cars, so this makes it difficult for drivers to drive partners cars. So hiyo inafanya, and most companies, some companies are also struggling within, but Uber business is there. Dereva wengine pia atakosa kukulipa wiki mbili, miezi mbili, tatu, kumbe anajipanga nunue yake. Hiyo pia ni shida. Gari za installments pia zinaumiza hii biz mbaya. Biz ya Uber imeharibiwa na installments. Gari za kulipa na installments, Kayads zinapeana, watu wa individual wanapeana, kuna watu wana import tu magari wanapeana rent to own, kuna watu pia hire purchase, kuna SACCOs, they have a variety of they have a lot of choices to make. If you are an Uber driver, you have a lot. In fact, nimeona Haki sahi wanapeana gari na 15,000 kama we ni wa Uber. 15,000 ushapewa gari, mbona ushinde na ya wenyewe? So wako na variety of choices kama dereva as driver, so that makes it difficult for investors. The Uber business can still work only if it is managed well. If you can manage your driver well, you know where to get your spare parts and all that. If you know where to get your spares at a cheaper price. And my question is, are you an Uber driver or partner in Kenya? Tell us your experience in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips like this one here. This is where you should stay, and also share this with the friends, and also tell us your experience with the drivers, and also just tell us your experience within Uber industry in the comment section. Thank you.